Happy morning students. A warm welcome from Sheba Group of School online class. Hope that you are all fit and fine at home. Children, today we are going to write our English classwork. Are you all ready for the class, children? Students, take your English classwork, take a new fresh page, take your blue stick pen. You should write in your blue stick pen only. Take your pencil and scale also. Now we are going to start writing. Okay students, first have to write term 2. Term 2 date 2/11. 2/11. The heading affection. Heading is affection. Students, don't scribble, don't overwrite. Write with a good neat handwriting. First Roman letter, antonyms. Antonyms, there are 4 antonyms. Antonyms means what ma? Yes, opposites, edirchol. Okay students, you have to write the serial number inside the margin. Have to start writing from the margin, near the margin, and you have to start writing with the capital letter. Okay students, while writing, spell the word and write. First one, village. The opposite of village is city. The opposite of village is city. C-I-T-Y, city. Village na ennaduma? Gramam. City na nagaram. The next one, second, younger, elder. The opposite of younger is elder. E-L-D-E-R, elder. Younger na சிறியவர்கள், elder na பெரியவர்கள். Third one, before, after. The opposite of before is after. A-F-T-E-R, after. Before na ennaduma? முன்னே. After na பின்னே. The fourth one, near, far. The opposite of near is far. F-A-R, far. Near na ennaduma? பக்கத்துல. Far na தூரத்துல. Okay students, me once again read it out. Village, city, younger, elder, before, after, near, far. Okay students, after finishing the first Roman letter, have to draw a line using a scale and pencil. The second Roman letter. Students, the second Roman letter is poem. The real wealth. The real wealth. The heading of the poem is real wealth. Write the heading. Students, what is the meaning of real wealth ma? Real wealth na ennadhu ma? Unmayana selvam. Let me first read out the poem. Parent brings us to this soil, comma, and will never let us get spoiled, full stop. They earn our daily bread and wish to see us shoot ahead. Okay students, what is the meaning of this poem? Parents brings us to this soil. Parents தான் நம்மளை இந்த மண்ணுக்கு கொண்டுட்டு வராங்க. And will never let us get spoiled. Parents நம்ம மண்ணுக்கு கொண்டுட்டு வரது இல்லாமல் நமக்கு நல்லது எது கெட்டதுன்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்து நம்மளை என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? பாதுகாத்து நடத்துவாங்க. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், they earn our daily bread. அவங்க தான் நம்மளுக்கு தினமும் நம்ம சாப்பிட்ற சாப்பாட்டுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? நமக்கு சம்பாதிச்சு கொடுக்குறாங்க. And wish to see us shoot ahead. அதுவும் இல்லாமல் அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? நம்ம எப்போ நல்லா முன்னேறி நல்ல ஒரு பொசிஷனுக்கு வருவோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி எதிர்பார்த்துட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், now let me once again read it out. Parent brings us to this soil and will never let us get spoiled. They earn our daily bread and wish to see us shoot ahead. After finishing the second Roman letter, once again you have to draw a line with a pencil and scale and start writing the third Roman letter. Okay children, third Roman letter, answer the following. Answer the following. There are 3. Answer the following. First one. Have to write the serial number inside the margin as I already told. Then start writing near the margin. Start with a capital letter. Write with a neat handwriting. Where is Keeraikuppam located? Question mark. As this is a question, have to end the sentence with a question mark. Where is Keeraikuppam located? Keeraikuppam enga irukku? Answer. Keep 2 finger space gap and then start writing the answer. Keeraikuppam was located near Nagapattinam. Keeraikuppam was located near Nagapattinam. End the sentence with a full stop. Keeraikuppam enga irundhuchu? It was near Nagapattinam. Nagapattinam பக்கத்துல தான் Keeraikuppam இருந்துச்சு. அந்த village இருந்துச்சு. Okay students, let me once again read it out. First one, where is Keeraikuppam located? Question mark. Answer. Keep 2 finger space gap. Keeraikuppam was located near Nagapattinam. Full stop. After writing the first question answer, draw a line with a pencil and scale. The second one, what were the people excited about? Question mark. What were the people excited about? ஏன் பீப்புளெலாம் ஏன் ரொம்ப உற்சாகமாக இருந்தாங்க? Answer. Keep 2 finger space gap and start writing. The people were excited about the wave rising high in the sea. End with a full stop. The people were excited about the wave rising high in the sea. பீப்புளெலாம் ஏன் ரொம்ப உற்சாகமாக இருந்தாங்கன்னு கேட்டாங்க. ஏன் பீப்புளாக உற்சாகமாக இருக்காங்கன்னா, they saw a wave, ஒரு பெரிய அலை ரொம்ப தூரத்துக்கு ரொம்ப ஹையாக சீல பார்த்தாங்க. எப்படி இருந்துச்சா அந்த வேவ் வந்து ரொம்ப ஹைட்டாக இருந்துச்சா, அது வந்து ரைஸ் ஆகினே இருந்துச்சான் ஹைட்டில். அதனால தான் அவங்களாம் என்ன ஆனாங்க, ரொம்ப உற்சாகமாக இருந்தாங்க. வாட் வேர் த people excited about? The people were excited about the wave rising high in the sea. After writing the second question answer, again you have to draw a line with a pencil and scale. The third question and answer. Which disaster had hit the village? Had hit the village. End the question with a question mark. Which disaster had hit the village? Question mark. என்னம்மா மீனிங் ஆஃப் த கொஸ்டின் என்னதுமா? எஸ், என்ன பேர் அழிவு அந்த வில்லேஜில் நடந்துச்சு? ஆன்சர். You have to keep 2 finger space gap and then start writing the answer. The powerful waves hit the village. End with the full stop. The powerful waves hit the village. அப்படின்னா என்னதுமா? ரொம்ப சக்தி வாய்ந்த ஒரு அலைகள் என்ன பண்ணுச்சு, அந்த வில்லேஜை வந்து அடிச்சிருச்சு. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், which disaster had hit the village? The powerful waves hit the village. Then after finishing the third question and answer, have to draw a line, pencil and scale and start writing the fourth Roman letter. Detail. There is only one detail. First one, why did Meena call the official Appa? Question mark. Why did Meena call the official Appa? மீனா ஏன் அந்த அஃபீஷியலை அப்பான்னு கூப்பிட்டா? அதுதான் அந்த கொஸ்டினோட மீனிங். ஆன்சர். அகெயின் யூ ஹேவ் டு லீவ் 2 finger space gap and start writing. First point, Meena had no parents. Meena had no parents. மீனாக்கு பேரண்ட்ஸ் கிடையாது. ஏன்னா அந்த வேவ்ஸில் அவங்களாம் இழுத்துட்டு போயிட்டாங்க. அவங்க பேரண்ட்ஸ்லாம் வேவ்ஸால் இழுத்துட்டு போயிட்டாங்க. த நெக்ஸ்ட் பாயிண்ட், they were washed away by the waves. ஏன்னா they were washed away by the waves. waves வந்து அவங்க என்ன பண்ணிடுச்சு, இழுத்துக்கிட்டு போயிடுச்சு. The third point, so she called the official as Appa. So she called the official as Appa. அவங்க பேரண்ட்ஸ்லாம் தண்ணியில் இழுத்துட்டு போயிட்டதுனால அவங்க அஃபீஷியலை என்னன்னு கூப்பிட்டா, அப்பான்னு கூப்பிட்டா. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், ஆஃப்டர் ஃபினிஷிங் ரைட்டிங் த class work, have to put the parent sign. Don't forget to get the parent sign from your parents while writing. Don't scribble or don't overwrite. Okay students, spell the word and write. You will all in the next class. Thank you students.